days of Christmas cooking. I have no clue what day this is. They're all starting to blur together. Things are crazy around here, but I'm sure they're crazy wherever you are too. 'Tis the Christmas season and it's in full swing. So I'm coming to you today with a really quick recipe. With these ingredients, we are going to make our homemade hot chocolate. And it's super simple. There's 4 ingredients. We have raw cacao powder, which we are using to replace cocoa powder. So cacao is super high in antioxidants. It's actually more antioxidant than berries are. Cocoa has been processed, whereas cacao powder is in its raw form. So it's where chocolate comes from. It's quite bitter on its own. So that's why we're going to add a little bit of maple syrup to sweeten it up. You could use stevia or whatever sweetener that you would prefer, but I like maple syrup. And then we're going to use our oat milk and a little bit of cinnamon to taste. It's that easy. We're just going to take our 4 ingredients, pop them into the blender and blend them up. Otherwise it gets kind of lumpy if you don't do it that way. And then we will heat it up on the stove, and it is that easy. So this will make a really great and health conscious drink for you over the holidays. But stay tuned, because tomorrow we may or may not be making our own little Christmas cheer to go in our healthy hot chocolate. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, that is it. I hope that you follow along. Make sure to let me know how yours turned out down in the comments. I'd love to hear. And otherwise, let's get cracking. The moment of truth. Let's give it a try. So when I was at the grocery store, I also came across, I haven't had a marshmallow since I've started this whole plant-based eating thing. And when I was at the grocery store, I ended up finding a bag of vanilla marshmallows. It says it roasts to gooey perfection. I thought it might be kind of fun to put in our hot chocolate. So I cut the bag open, but I haven't tried one. So let's see. They're here we go. They're like squishy, like a marshmallow. They kind of look marshmallowy texture. Oh, they're squishy like a marshmallow. Let's give it a try. They're vanilla-y. They're not bad. They're not a normal marshmallow. They're pretty good. There's a slight tinge of a bit of a weird flavor. I don't know if that's the vanilla flavoring, but they're not bad. Okay, so let's see how they are in our hot chocolate. All right, so we have our hot chocolate here. All right, moment of truth. My little marshmallows in here. A little sad. How's it gonna go? Oh my god. It is so good. The cinnamon that we added isn't too much. Cinnamon is also great for you to regulate your blood sugar. So whenever you are indulging in sweeter things, if you can have something with cinnamon in it, it'll help keep your blood sugar regulated. But there's, I would say per serving, there's probably a tablespoon at the most of maple syrup in here, and it is so good. Oh my gosh, okay. I hope you guys give it a try. You will not be disappointed. It is so good. It takes 5 minutes to have the rest in the fridge for when the kids come home. And I doubt that it will last, but I think that you could refrigerate it, say 2 to 3 days, if you wanted to make it ahead of time before Christmas. Well, thanks guys for watching. I'm so glad that you joined me, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.